In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make custom DIY labels for your home using Canva. Whether you are organizing your pantry, bathroom essentials, or office supplies, I'll show you how to create clean professional labels that are simple to design and ready to print. First, open Canva. In the search bar at the top, type label and press enter to see a variety of ready-made sizes and designs. If you already know the exact dimensions you want, click Create a Design, choose Custom Size and enter 2 by 1 inches, or any size that fits your containers. This gives you a perfectly sized canvas to work with from the start. Now let's design your label. If you'd like a quick head start, browse the templates, pick one that matches your style, and customize it. You can change colors to match your space, swap backgrounds, and remove any elements you don't need. If you prefer to build from scratch, open the Elements tab. Search for simple icons or illustrations that represent what you are labeling and drag them onto the canvas. Use shapes like rectangles or circles to create borders or highlight areas behind your text so it stands out. Try to keep a bit of space around the edges. That breathing room helps the label look tidy and intentional. Add your wording using a text box. Type the item name and, if you like, a short detail such as contents or a date. Pick fonts that stay legible at small sizes. A bold, distinctive font for the main label name paired with a clean, simple font for details works well. Adjust color for strong contrast, then fine-tune size, spacing, and alignment, so everything lines up neatly and reads clearly at a glance. When your layout looks just right, select all the elements on your label and click Group. Grouping keeps everything locked together, so you can resize the entire label as a single unit or copy it without shifting any pieces out of place. Before downloading, prepare it for clean printing. Go to File, open View Settings and choose Show Print Bleed. You'll see a faint border around the edges. Now click Share. Then Download. Choose PDF Print for the best quality and check Flatten PDF. Flattening merges layers and effects, so what you see on screen is exactly what prints, helping avoid glitches or missing elements. And that's it. Thanks for watching.